Thunderstorm warning for South Central Orange County in East Central Florida, North Central Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located at International Airport, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, Orlando International Airport, Conway, and Buenaventura Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.